atoms to the atoms, separates in the mist. Yin yang electron, close curtains in abyss. I stay away from snake cause I'm certain it will hiss. Adolf Hitler mental illness where I'm locking in the mix. Dungeon lifestyle flames from the dragon speak inferno. Abondo, Jeffrey Dahmer sickness be concerned though. Studied under serial killers, tragically lent flow. Iceman inheritance, smell where the sperm go. Holocaust gases in air, grab the tear gas. Appear brash, body count mountain, what's the year past? I'm the god, I live off the land, never fear past. Silence of the lamb, criteria, watch the lair crash. Drastic, I stitch your body out like elastic. My tactics derived from the son of practice. Gymnastic, killer instinct, but you lacked it. I'm the moving like the Vikings through the athlete, it's graphic.
I'm so high, I'm higher than the stars. I'm so high, I can high five Mars. Roll up a cloud, pronto and a cigar. Extraterrestrial lungs, ran out of paper I brung, so I use my spacesuit as a bung. Who else you know? Set up shop, make it hot with the calico on Pluto. No one. I'm so hot, I go skiing on the sun. The world's my toilet bowl, I go peeing on Saturn. Young, black and famous, I'm the shit like Uranus. Ride beats like asteroids, that's right. Use a satellite as a mic, use the comments when I write. It's evolution, you monkeys is pushing that pollution. Cock the thing and Big Bang the solution. My spaceship fully equipped, futuristic. Party getting sick of smoke, L's and moon liquor.